Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. The LTZ is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights with your fog light button there as well, trailer mode, driving modes, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the backside, push button ignition. We do have the 13-inch large touchscreen as well, Google operating system. So you have Google Maps, Google Assistant, Google Play Store. The vehicle does have heated and ventilated seating with dual zone climate control. You have your automatic shifter knob as well as the all black interior. Dual glove box system still as well, Bose audio, and our luxurious LTZ branded heated leather seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado LTZ, we have these steel wheels, transport wheels on the vehicle, 22-inch wheel and tire package soon to be on, Bridgestone all-season tires. We have chrome accenting door handles as well as automatic running boards, chrome mirror caps and window trim, Silverado on the front fender, Duramax on the front hood. Coming to the front of the LTZ, we do have the LTZ branded grille as well as your chrome front bumper, recovery hooks, LED fog lights, parking sensors and a camera system, the LED daytime running lamps, and turn signals. Making our way back down the side of the crew cab, your tinted privacy windows as well as the truck is remote start equipped. At the rear, we do have our chrome rear LTZ bumper with dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package. We have the Chevrolet multi-flex tailgate as well, and your Silverado LTZ badging. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready and heated as well in the LTZ. We have in-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, as well as a single pane sunroof. Vehicle does have the rear seats, heated controls in the back of the center console there and USB ports. Seats fold up in that 60/40 as well with under-seat storage, giving you tons of room on the ground of the LTZ. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.